How to set up two-step verification on your Shopify store. Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll show you all the steps that you need in order to achieve this. Now, this is going to be very important if you're serious about starting your Shopify store, because obviously you want to secure it and make sure that no one is going to basically hack your store or whatever it may be and try to figure out the password. You want to set up this just to be safe. So let's just go ahead and show you how to do so. First, you will need to just open up your Shopify admin. Now from this page, your dashboard here, you want to just go to the top right where you'll find my store. Just go ahead and click on that, and then, or your profile picture, or whatever it may be on the top right. And you want to basically click on that, and then you want to click on manage account, which should be second to last from the bottom. So manage account. Now, once you do that, you should find your information here. You can find all the information that you need from this section. But what we want is pretty much the security option from the left panel. So just go in and click on security. And then here you will find all the security options that you actually need, like passkeys, password, secondary email, all of those things. But you want to basically scroll down until you find two-step authentication. Now in here, you basically want to adjust this and turn it on and just, actually set it up. So to do so, you want to basically just click on turn on two-step verification. Now here's the thing. For me, it says you will need to verify it's you to continue, and my verification option is to actually re-authenticate from Google. This is because I've logged in using Google. But for you, if you have a password already, which should be here, then for you it's going to be a little bit different. They're going to ask you to enter your password. So just go in and click on turn on two-step authentication and enter your password. So I'm just going to re-authenticate, or in other words, enter my password, and then we can just move on to the next step. Great. So once you enter your password, we are going to have this screen right in front of us. So here you'll basically select the authentication method. If you click on this, you will have plenty to choose from. You have the Authenticator app, which I highly recommend, and even Shopify recommends this because it's actually very easy and simple to do. Now, if you don't know what that is for some reason, just go ahead and open up your mobile right now and just search for Google Authenticator. Now, there are different options out there. If you want to use a different one, feel free to do so. I personally use the Google one. So just go ahead and search for Google Authenticator. And then from there, you just select this option. And from your mobile, again, from your Google Authenticator, after you actually open it up, you can scan a code from there. So scan this code right here. Not mine, obviously yours. And just go ahead and enter the code that is going to pop up after you scan it. And this is pretty much how to set it up. Just click on turn on and it's going to be ready to go. Alternatively, you have also different options here to choose from. So if you want it to be SMS delivery, built-in authenticator, which I'm not even familiar with, security key and all of those things, feel free to choose them. But I highly recommend this first one. And this is pretty much all there is to it. So hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.